Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how we will install Apache web server in our Ubuntu environment. So in my case I install Ubuntu in my AWS instance. So right now I'm in SSH of AWS instance. So if you can see this window here, I have my IP address also. It's EC2 18.188.204. That's my address. So right now I didn't install Apache in my Ubuntu server, so Ubuntu operating system. So let's see how we can do that. So whenever we are installing our server, we need to take care of two things. One is um, one we will call UFW, that's firewall configuration. So we need to know there is any firewall restriction or not. So we need to set that also. So in our case, what we are going to do is we will list what are the firewalls applications. So here, if I am going to FW app list, it will list the firewall applications. So in my case, I have only one, OpenSSH. So that's list firewall applications. So another command that we can use here is sudo ufw then status inactive. So status inactive means we cannot access from anywhere, so we need to make uh, that's yellow actually. So we can see after installation of Apache. So like any other installation, we have some packages already in our Ubuntu environment. We can use that. So before that, I am going to update my system. So I will get everything new. Then, so the command that I am using for installing Apache is this one. apt install apache 2. Just run this command is enough. Then just yes. Okay, so the web server is ready, but we need to go again with that firewall. So right now we have some more things: Apache full, Apache secure. So we need only Apache to access from anywhere. So what I'm going to change in my firewall setting, UFW hello Apache. Okay, so rules updated. So if I am going with the AWS status, actually the command to get AWS status is not correct, I guess. Probably I need to use the Apache here. Yeah, so So invalid syntax, enable, disable, status. Okay, so these are the these are the commands that we can use, but I don't know why this one status not working right now. Okay, so that's all about this one, but I need to go to one of the I need to make sure my Apache is running right now. So how I will do that? So I need to get my EC2 instance. So this is another instance, and this is the URL actually. So right now it's not working, but we know the status from here. It's sudo system control status Apache 2. Okay, so my Apache 2 is running successfully in the backend, but how I will access my Apache environment is another thing. Currently, I can access this 8080 here. Yeah, I can access. So everything is fine. So I don't need to provide the 8080 here. So this way we can do everything. So if I am going with my old Docker thing, I already installed something in Docker with the various other ports, but it is exited. So if I just starting this one, I can access that also. So if I am copying here, Docker start, that port number is 93. Okay, Docker. Yeah, I need to run again. So I can see 9390. So here I'm getting the Apache directly. 9390. I will get WordPress. So it's another port, so there is no issues. So that's all about Apache. So next video probably I will go with the MySQL. So like Apache, we also have MySQL in our own Ubuntu package, so we can install from that. But here I need to check Apache 2 version. There is no syntax like that, but status Apache 2 will say anything about Apache 2 version. No, we need to use some other command. So Apache 2 version check. Ubuntu. Okay, so the command was almost same, but we have only V here, I guess. But probably we don't have this one also. Yeah, that's perfect. So Apache 2, but we can have version also. version will be, that doesn't matter, but only matter is Apache 2 only one hyphen. That's only matter. So this version is Apache 2 2.429. If you search the current version, Apache 2 Danga 2441. So it's not that much old. We are in 2429. So right now 2441. So it's not a problem to keep this Apache. So uh, in Ubuntu, the most of the software will be up to date, and if you with the package managers or something, we can update the version also. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.